working on our financials right now. We should know soon. Look at this GT350. Yeah, this is a 2017 GT350. Such a clean car.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. The pressure be calling. Left on my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm coming. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression. It's all that I wanted. The vote and affection. I summon and dump it.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. It is so damn cold in Amarillo, Texas today. It's like 20-30 degrees. It was raining and then it froze over and it's freaking cold. Anyways, my car looks like a gutted, clapped out race car right now. But it's a street car, but it looks like a race car because I'm gonna show you there's no dash in it, there's no seats, the carpet's about to get pulled, there's wires everywhere. The reason why I'm doing this, if you don't know, this is my 2018 single turbo Mustang GT, holds the stock sealed Coyote record. 826, 162 mile an hour. That's slow. We don't care about that anymore. We're moving on. But anyways, if you don't know, the car is currently getting an RPG sleeved and O-ringed motor. It is going to be built to the hill. We're putting a bigger turbo. We're redoing the whole turbo kit on it. We sent the converter off to get re-specced out. We actually have the BMR K member coming soon in a few weeks. I just got notice from Dion and Jonathan over at BMR Suspension. Shout out to those guys. You could use my discount code VANV39 if you want to save some money and get some free shipping. Anyways, we've got that coming. New turbo's coming soon, hopefully. Then we've got to take it over to Joe's, put the new turbo kit on, build the new turbo kit, actually. I sent the headers off to get coated, and then Joe will build the rest of the turbo system because he's not busy enough anyways. Which, if you guys don't know, Streetcar Joe on Instagram, he's building a new car this year, and he's actually made a lot of progress. So hopefully this weekend, maybe we can get over there and kind of update you guys on his Fox body build. But anyways, oh man, I don't want to show you. This is so embarrassing. Look at it's so bad. The whole entire dash is gone. There's freaking wires everywhere. It looks like a mess. So really, the last thing I want to do is kind of clean up some of the wiring and clean up a couple other things before we get it prepared for the roll cage. We got to pull the carpet out still. But essentially, I had to take all the interior and everything out to get a roll cage installed. So Joe's going to actually install the roll cage, and we'll go over all that stuff when it comes in. But anyways, I'm just trying to prep the car for when the roll cage actually comes in. I did actually break my dash. Yes, I broke the dash. So I was trying to get the dash out, and I pulled on one of the pieces, and it just snapped one of the plastic pieces on it, which is like a big piece that you can see. And I thought about fixing it, but my dash already had some blemishes from like taking the center console off and off so many times when we were doing the transmission swap. So I just decided once we get closer, I'm gonna buy just a used dash. They're kind of expensive, which kind of sucks, but once we get closer, I'll buy a new dash. It's just one of those things. Sometimes you're like working on your car, trying to get something done, and you get frustrated and you try and rush it, and then you break stuff. That happened to me. So anyways, lots of stuff going on with the Mustang. Just wanted to give you guys a small update. I did get a few parts in, but I'll show you guys probably that on the next video when some more of the parts come in. I'm trying to clean up some of the wiring in here, but as you guys know, these Gen 3s just have a ton of wiring. It's kind of hard to clean it up with all the direct injection stuff that's going on. But I tried to clean up the engine bay just a little bit earlier, and I tried to clean up some of the wiring I had over here. It doesn't look that much better, but it looks better than it did before. But tons of updates coming on this soon. I'm kind of just, like I said, cleaning some stuff up, waiting on some parts, and we'll get rolling on this project. We've got a ton of work to do, but that's not what today's video is about. Let's show you what today's video is about.
Done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link no time.
Look at the ceramic coating, ready?
It's frozen.
coated. Oh man, open the door, open the door. He locked us out. What's this guy doing?
Oh, I'm about to piss on him though.
Oh boy, Kevin's live right now.
Shout out to all the OGs.
Look at who's in town, the nut.
Say hello, you're on YouTube Live.
Say hello, you're on YouTube.
Let's go. There you go.
Excuse me. Look at this GT350. Yosh. It's 2017. Travis, what have you done so far on it?
Nothing, Randy.
Randy did all the work? Randy was cleaning the wheels.
Yeah, he helped with the paint correction, did some of the wheels off, but interior's coated, wheels off are done. Tinted all the side markers,
Oh yeah.
like all the running lines.
Why are you the best detailer?
Them wheels, man.
Just because I care, I don't know.
So this is actually one of my clients' GT350s. This thing is sick. He also has a GT500 coming, so hopefully we'll get to see that when he gets it. But man, black is hard to make look good, but when you do it right, poof, look at that.
It's dusty.
Holy moly.
Just have to do the paint coating, so we're gonna get this dusty.
So yeah, this is a 2017 GT350. Such a clean car. You did the interior too, right? Yeah.
Interior looks looking good.
Can we see it? Oh man, I love it. Oof.
Camera and a camera.
Gosh, these are so clean. I need that dash.
This is what an actual street car looks like.
Oh my god.
Dash, radio, heat, air, seats.
Oh, the black looks so killer.
It's dirty as fuck right now, just from all the dust.
Just sitting in here.
Just once we wipe it down, it'll level, and then we haven't even put coating on it yet.
Oof. Oh. Oh man, that looks mint. That looks brand new in there. Dang, the engine bay looks so nice. The engine bay is so clean. Gosh. How many hours do you have in it already?
Probably 25,
It's not bad.
30.
Man, look at that. Oh, that's sick. Woo!
Guys, really done.
I could just admire this car all day.
She's the secret behind the.
Travis is just the laborer now. Oh. So what do you have left? You gotta coat the paint?
Yeah, just gotta lay the paint coating, that's it.
Nice. How long are you here for?
Be here in Amarillo like 8 to 10 weeks, but I already have
If you're in Amarillo, you want
3
something
trips,
coated.
plus I'm going to TX2K, Flashlight, and
You might as well just move back to Amarillo.
no, I'm going back to Scottsdale, but I'll be around
Oof.
for till at least around April.
So if anyone in Arizona, is that where you're
Anywhere,
gonna?
bro. We're nationwide.
Yeah, that's true.
Where
You're
you at? Let me
you're
know.
everywhere now.
On the way.
The Paint Slayer. Gosh, that car looks killer. Man, is that GT350 clean or what? Gosh, I hope I can pick one of those up someday soon. I think that'd be the perfect daily driver. Throw like a small blower on it, leave it on pump gas, maybe throw it on E85 on the weekends when you want to mess around, do a flex fuel tune. But man, GT350s look so mean in the front. I love the front bumper of the GT350. Now people can obviously get a GT350, GT500 bumper and put it on, you know, their Mustang GT, but I'd rather just own one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below about the GT350. I still think it's one of the more underrated Mustangs. I know they didn't sell very well when they actually first came out. They're getting obviously a lot cheaper, so I'd like to pick one up in the future, maybe in like a year or two as a daily driver. I know there's people on YouTube who have had problems with their GT350s, but you gotta remember, those are just the ones you're seeing on YouTube. And of course, if you have a problem with your GT350, you're gonna make videos about it for views. So I still think the GT350 is a really good car. It's unfortunate some people have had problems with them, but there's also a lot of people out there that haven't had problems with them. You just kind of see the ones on social media that have had problems with it, but that's neither here nor there. I really, really love that GT350, and man, I need to pick one of those up, I'm telling you. But like I said, some updates coming on the Mustang very soon, just waiting on a bunch of parts to come in. And like I said, I'm kind of doing some boring stuff right now on cleaning up some of the wiring and removing all the interior pieces so we can get ready for what's the next mod. But I will keep you guys updated as the parts come in. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. As always, comment down below what you think of the GT350. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next one.